In this video, I show you how to earn thousands of dollars every day using a brand new strategy, which is one of the easiest ways to make money online. How to do it? Soon enough, we'll find out. This is Earn $500 every day using my special Amazon money-making strategy. The best part is that this method is totally free and accessible anywhere on the world. To earn this 100% passive income over and over, all you have to do is watch the entire video and follow the instructions in this tutorial. Now let's get started. The first step is to go and visit Amazon.com. Don't worry, you don't have to sell products, you don't have to share affiliates, you don't have to do drop shipping or anything like that. There's a simple Amazon trick that will allow you to make money completely passively without having to sell any of the products you are seeing. Now, I just wanted to show you that, according to SimilarWeb.com, over 2 billion people visit Amazon every month. This means that every month, nearly 2.5 billion people from around the world visit Amazon to shop. So, how will you make money with Amazon without selling any of these products? Now, go ahead and click on All Categories in the left-hand corner. This will provide you with various categories. However, you will only need to concentrate on books. Don't worry, you won't have to write a book or anything like that. This method is completely beginner-friendly and requires no prior experience. Now, you need to go and select Kindle books right here. That's going to show you the people who are selling books and making hundreds and thousands of dollars. Don't worry, you won't have to write these books yourself. Instead, there's a tool that will do it for you and make you money completely on autopilot. You can see that this person has almost 44,000 reviews, implying that they have far more than 50,000 sales because not everyone will leave a review. They still got more than 44,000 feedbacks on this, which means they sold over 50,000 copies. Even if they have sold it for $2, that's still a lot of money, and it's all done passively because it's a digital ebook. They don't have to ship whenever someone buys it because they can instantly download it. As a result, they can sell an infinite number of these and make an infinite amount of money. Even if they only sell for $1, that's still a substantial amount of money in completely passive income. How can you sell ebooks if you don't know how to write? Well, there's a tool that's gonna do everything for you. So don't be concerned. There is a specific thing you can do, which is known as ghostwriting. A ghostwriter is hired to write literary or journalistic works, speeches, or other texts that are officially credited to another person as the author. I'll show you exactly how to present yourself as the author of an ebook and then sell it on Amazon on autopilot. I'll show you how to do it in 5 minutes, and it'll be available on Amazon for the rest of your life. So you can get sales in the next few days, weeks, months, and years, and you can literally close your laptop or turn off your computer and it will still run on autopilot. If you're wondering if ghostwriting is legal, the answer is yes. Yes, it is unquestionably legal. Now, how do you find a ghostwriter? Someone that's going to create that ebook for you so you can make money completely on autopilot. To begin, you can go through Freelancer.com, which is the simplest option. Freelancer.com is a website where you can hire people to do a variety of tasks for you. Now, go to Find Freelancers by Skill, then go to Find Freelancers, Writers, then click on Ghostwriters. That will take you to a page where you can see all of the people who are interested in writing for you. These people can be hired for a very low price and will create an entire ebook for you, which you can then sell for a lifetime. As a result, you'll have full rights to sell that ebook as your own, and you'll be able to put your name on it as if you were the author. Another excellent option is to go to Fiverr.com. This is yet another freelancing website where you can hire an ebook writer to complete the task for you. In some cases, that'll only cost you $30 to $40, but you'll get a lot in return because those ebooks can sell for a lot of money on Amazon's Kindle. You'll need a cover for your ebook now that you found someone to write it. All of those ebooks on Amazon's Kindle have attractive covers, which is clearly helping them sell. What you will simply need to do is visit Canva.com. This is a completely free online tool that includes a variety of design templates. You can use the search bar to look for an ebook cover. You can begin creating an ebook cover using the template they provide. On the left-hand side, you'll find a variety of different templates. You can see all of the different templates and customize them however you want. Let's say you really like this cover right here. and it obviously matches the title of your ebook. You can certainly customize that by simply double-clicking on this text and modifying it as desired. Let's say I want to type and make certain to like this video. I'll type that in, as well as my own name, right here. So, let's say we got Money Hunt and the entire ebook. Of course, you can now change the background image or add different colors to it. Everything can be customized. You can even look through photos or backgrounds right now to find something you like. For example, let's say I need to use this image right now for some reason. I'll just stick it right here and it'll look pretty good. This is a very attractive ebook cover. Of course, you can experiment with different designs to find the one that you like best. This is going to be a lot of fun. You're only going to be creative for about 10 to 15 minutes right now. When you're finished, just click the download button right here and it'll be downloaded to your computer right away. As a result, you can use it as your Amazon Kindle cover for free. All of this will take no more than 30 minutes of work on your part, but it will pay off handsomely. It has the ability to make you a lot of money on Autopilot, and it has a lot of potentials. So that's how you can earn $10,000 every month doing nothing. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.